Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make G major 2022 pitch effects using KineMaster. So first, you can just open KineMaster and tap on create a new project and choose your video aspect ratio. You can go with 16:9 if it's for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Reels. And you can just import the video or audio clip that you want to apply the G major 2022 pitch effect to. And what's in on the timeline, you need to make sure that it's trimmed or carried down to the sections that you want to edit. And if your clip already has sound, you can just use that directly by extracting the audio first. You can click on a clip, scroll down until you find the extract audio options. So now the clip and the audio will be separated like this. Now to apply the effects, you can just tap on your audio track, and in here you can scroll down and click on the voice changer. Now you can scroll down through the list until you find the options like chipmunk. You can use the chipmunk or helium. Let's find it. Or you can also use this one, helium, or the pitch up. And if there's slider, you can also experiment the pitch to around 22 or 23. You can just play it back and listen to it high pitch, funny, and slightly distorted voice. And to make it sound even more interesting, you can also add some echo or reverb. You can just here click on the audio and choose reverb, then choose the effect that you want. You can go with echo room, or maybe another reverb or sound effect that you prefer. And you can just listen to the final result. And once you got the result that you want, you can just export the video by clicking on this arrow up and choose your quality settings. This one in here, the quality, and after that you can just click on save as video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe, and also click on a thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.